Hello students, I am Dr. Rajaram Dhok from Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated Agricultural Development Trust Shardabai Pawar Mahila College Sharda Nagar Baramati. Let's start. Today's lecture on molecular orbital theory, lecture 17. In this lecture, we learn about the MO energy level diagram of Ne2 molecule. In the MO energy level diagram for Ne2 molecule, we learn about the formation of Ne2 molecule. So in Ne2 molecule, two Ne atoms present, and in every Ne atom 10 electrons present. So we write the electronic configuration of neon 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. The 1s orbital is lower in energy, so it does not take part in the bond formation. Means that 1s orbital remains as non-bonding. Only two 2s orbitals and six 2p orbitals of two neon atoms combines and forms total 8 molecular orbitals. In this case, 2s and 2p orbitals of neon atom are well separated in energy, so they do not interact, and the sequence of energy levels of molecular orbitals in any two molecule is written sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, sigma 2px, pi 2py, pi 2pz, pi star 2py, pi star 2pz, and sigma star 2px. Now we see the molecular orbital energy level diagram for N2 molecule. So in this diagram, we see the pictorial representation of Ne2 molecule. Here only 2s and 2p atomic orbital of neon atom is shown and 1s inner orbital is not shown. Here 2s atomic orbital of first neon atom combines with 2s atomic orbital of second neon atom and forms one sigma 2s molecular orbital and one sigma star 2s molecular orbital. When wave functions of these 2s and 2s is same, then bonding molecular orbital is formed. And when wave functions is different, then this anti-bonding molecular orbital is formed. In 2p atomic orbitals of first atom and 2p atomic orbitals of second atom, when wave functions are same, then there is formation of three bonding molecular orbitals sigma 2px, pi 2py and pi 2pz. When wave functions of 2p atomic orbitals and second atom 2p atomic orbitals are different, then three anti-bonding molecular orbitals forms. In that pi star 2py and pi star 2pz and highest energy sigma star 2px anti-bonding molecular orbital is formed. In this way, 8 molecular orbitals are formed and its energy is in this increasing order. Every molecular orbital is filled by total number of electrons. So total number of electrons in neon atom is 18. And these 18 electrons are filled in molecular orbitals, that is sigma 2s contains 2, sigma star 2s contains 2, sigma 2px contains 2, pi 2py and pi 2pz each contains 2 electron. Then antibonding pi star 2py and pi star 2pz contains 2 electron and sigma star 2px contains 2 electron. So all the molecular orbitals are completely filled. From this, we write the MO electronic configuration of N2 molecule. So when write the MO electronic configuration of N2 molecule, the presence of non-bonding 1s2 electron is shown by the capital letter K, because these two electrons are present in the first shell, and that shell is denoted by letter K. There are two neon atoms take part in the bond formation, so letter K is repeated and we write Kk. The remaining electrons are filled in the Ne2 molecular orbitals following the different principles, that is above principle and Hertz rule of maximum multiplicity. And from that we write the electronic configuration Kk sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, pi star 2py2, pi star 2pz2, and sigma star 2px2. So from this electronic configuration and the total number of present in the molecular orbital diagram, we can calculate the energy evolved in any two molecule. The energy evolved during the formation of any two molecule is given by the formula energy evolved E is equal to number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital into plus beta. In bonding molecular orbital 8 electrons present, that is minus 8 beta. In anti-bonding molecular orbitals 8 electrons present, that is plus 8 beta. So minus 8 beta in bonding and minus plus 8 beta in antibonding. So net energy is 0. So energy evolved in the Ne2 molecule is 0. So the stabilization energy of Ne2 molecule is 0. Meaning of that, the Ne2 molecule not contains any energy. So this molecule is not stable and it is not in existence. The bond order of any two molecule. The bond order is calculated by the simple formula number of electron in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So in bonding and anti-bonding both contains 8 electrons. So 8 minus 8 divided by 2. So bond order is 0. The bond order is 0 means there is not formation of any bond. And when there is not formation of any bond, then the magnetic property is not necessary to explain because bond is not formed, and so this Ne2 molecule does not exist. I have given you assignment on this topic. You solve the assignment and submit it. For the assignment, you check the link of assignment in this video description.